Hello, I'm going to teach you guys how to modify a room in your registration once you have bump ups and you need to make changes. First thing you want to do is log into your DLG area, and then you're going to click Housing. Now, one of the limitations of the software is that if you have a student that's flying solo here and you want to add them into a room, it automatically defaults to whatever that room was from the beginning. So if I wanted to change a triple room to a quad room, you would think it would be as simple as coming in, like he wants me to add that student to room 4. So you would think it would be as easy as changing it to room 4, modifying it to a student quad, and allowing it to change back, but it doesn't. See how it defaults back to a triple? So the workaround works. It's just a couple of extra steps. So bear with me here. I'm going to come into the room that I want to add her to and remove those 3 students. There's a little bit of a delay while it's removing them. If you look at the system status, it will tell you that it's still thinking down in here, and eventually it will refresh and give you all of the rooms. Now I've got room 4 with nothing in it, and now I can come in and call it a student quad and add all 4 of these students to that room. When you take a look in here, now Rory Claire is in that room. It's no longer a triple, it's a quad, and things are set up the way that you expect them to be. Now, the last step on this, whether you're changing a student or changing the housing or both, is to come in and actually submit your registration again. Otherwise, it sits in limbo in our system. So I'm going to simply come into here, check that I agree with the statement, finish my registration. It'll save it and automatically send you another copy of the registration invoice as well as the hotel invoice. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.